Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we have an exciting topic to discuss, that is how to send different emails for different entries in Google Sheets automatically. So guys, if you have ever found yourself in this situation where you need to send different kind of emails for different entries that you have in Google Sheets, then this video is for you. Here you do not have to manually see the data of sheets and manually compose different emails. It will happen automatically using the power of automation. So guys, we are going to set up this automation where you just need to add the data in the spreadsheet, and according to that entry, according to the data that you have filled, different kind of emails will be delivered automatically. And we are not going to use any coding for this automation, so stay tuned till the end. Let's begin. So guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool by which we are going to set up this automation. And you can find the link of this page in the description as well, so that you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so guys, you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name. Now I am clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the action is the automated response of the trigger. In our use case, guys, we are adding the data in a row here in Google Sheets application, and that is triggering the workflow, and the action or the automated response of this trigger would be to send an email according to the entry. Okay, so here guys, let me show you my spreadsheet. This is my spreadsheet. Here I am entering the details of leads. Okay, and they are selecting our training programs, let's say via a form. I'm just entering the data here manually, and we have three options given to them. First is the digital marketing option, second is the data science option, and third is the machine learning option. So if the lead select digital marketing, we are going to send a different kind of email, and for each three options we want to send different kind of emails, okay, according to the selected choice. Now for that to happen, first of all, we are going to connect the trigger application here. So trigger application is Google Sheets, where we are entering the data, and then you have to select the trigger event, and the event would be a new or updated spreadsheet row. Okay, now with the help of this webhook URL, you can create the connection with Google Sheets by following these instructions written here. So the instructions are pretty simple. You can just read them and follow them, or you can explore our channel. We have created numerous videos on the connection of Google Sheets in the trigger. You can watch those videos and learn it, and I'm going to paste the link of one of the video in the description as well. Okay, after creating the connection, you can capture the response of the connection, okay, by sending the test data from your spreadsheets to here in this workflow. Okay, so first of all, copy the webhook URL, and as you are going to copy the URL, it will start waiting for the webhook connections response. Now, then follow these instructions and finally send the test data from the spreadsheet to here. And as you're going to send the data will be captured here in the response section. Okay, let me send the test data. So guys, here is the initial setup of our webhook connection with Google Sheets, and here we have this send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be sent to the workflow as the test data. So let me click on send test, and here you can see test data sent successfully started showing up here. Okay, now you can click on submit and close the initial setup. Right, let me show you now the spreadsheet, the workflow, and here you can see in the workflow, guys, we have received the data like this. It is showing the options name as digital marketing, spreadsheets name is new leads, and all other details contained in the row. So here you can see the username, so the last name, the first name, the email address, the city, and the option. Okay, Here you can see this is the same data, demo user, digital marketing, city Mumbai, and the same got captured here. Now after getting the test data, what you can do, come to the section step, and here I'm going to use lookup table module of Pabbly Connect. So with the help of lookup table, we are going to create a table of uh, options and their corresponding emails. Okay, so in that table we are going to have a table of label and values. In the labels we are going to select the options, and in the values I'm going to type the emails that we want to send corresponding to the options, right? So let me show you. Lookup table, search for lookup table module, then select the action event as lookup table only, then click on connect. Right, and here you can see it started asking for the lookup key to enter the fallback value, and here you can see under the lookup table we have this label and a value pair. So we can create label value pairs in the same table, and here in the labels I'm going to create the labels according to the options that we have. So here you can see we have three options. For the three options I'm going to create three labels here. Okay, and in the value I'm going to type three emails according to the three labels. So first of all, let us create three pairs by clicking on this plus icon right here. You can add the label value pairs like this, and let me add one more. Okay, and the first label is for digital marketing, so copy the digital marketing word here as it is and paste it here in the label field. Okay, like this. So guys, I have typed the emails for different options available here. For digital marketing, you can see I have typed hello, and here I have mapped a few details from the spreadsheet's response, like this name and the selected option. Thank you for showing interest in digital marketing training. Here is the link of our website. Here is the link of the brochure. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Here same I'm going to map the name of the person. To map the name, just click here on this field, and the previous step, the trigger will appear here like this, and when you click on it you will find the data right here. So map this first name label here, and similarly map the label in which you get the options. Okay, like this. So when you map the labels here like this, what will happen in real time when this workflow is going to execute, the labels will be updated automatically and new data will be fetched to your emails automatically. Okay, right. Now guys, after here, let me map this same data here also in the third email. Okay, and here after typing you can see we have this lookup key field here. So with the help of lookup key, we can look up or search for any label here in this table, and in the result it will show us the corresponding value of that label. So here we are receiving the data from our spreadsheet, from the entries, and I'm going to map this options label here in the lookup key field. Just click here, and from this first tab map this options label. Okay, so when this workflow is going to run, it is going to search for the option here in this table, and it is going to get the response according to get the result according to the option from this table. Let me show you. After mapping here, just click on save and send test request button, and in the result you will get a label and a value pair like this, and here in the result value you will get the email that needs to be sent automatically to the person who have and whose data we have here in the spreadsheet. Okay, now finally to send the email, just click here on this plus icon to add one more action step, and here I'm going to select Zoho Mail for sending an email. You can connect with Gmail as well. I'm using Zoho Mail for now. The action event would be send email. Okay, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Zoho Mail. Here it is asking for the domain, so my Zoho account belongs to you can see here zoho.in, so I'm going to select zoho.in domain. You can select your domain if you are using Zoho Mail, and then click on save, and it will bring you to this window, and here you have to provide the access it needs to send the email. Just click on accept from here, and you will be connected with Zoho Mails in a moment. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking to select the account ID that is auto-populated. Here it is asking two option. That means here you have to enter the recipient's email address. So we have received the email addresses from the spreadsheets in the trigger. So from the trigger only, I'm going to map the email address that we have received. Okay. Then it is asking from your email account, from which account you want to send the email. So you have to enter your email address here. Then you have to type the subject. So let me type the subject as thank you for your interest. You can customize the subject as well. Okay, right. Then select the content type as HTML or plain. I'm selecting plain, and in the body you can map the whole email from this last lookup table step. Just map the result value, and here the email will be mapped. Okay, and it will be the same email corresponding to the option that we got from the spreadsheet. After that, you can click on save and send test request button to check your connection with Zoho Mails. And let me fill in my email address here, and let me show you how it works. So here I'm clicking on save and send test request button. So here is the response we have received. Let us see in our in the mailbox I have entered here. And here you can see, guys, we have received a new email, and it is showing a subject as thank you for your interest. And here is the email. You can see, hello demo, thank you for showing interest in digital marketing training course. Here is the link of the website. For further information, check out our brochure. And this is the same email that I have mapped here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to trigger automatically whenever you are going to add a new row here in the spreadsheet, and the different mails will be delivered to the different options automatically. Okay, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.